Are you ready for this? Guess what time it is? Yes, it is Madam Glam time. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Hope you're having a fabulous day wherever in the world you are. Of course, Madam Glam is vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21-free formula, and HEMA-free. Also on their box, we have their socials, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, also known as X, and YouTube. And on the bottom of the box, it gives you a code so that you can get more information on recycling. And of course, this box is totally recyclable, and I love that about these. And I didn't previously open the box because I wanted to open the box together with you. And as always, I struggle with packaging. I don't know what it is about me and packaging. We just don't coordinate. So here it is, folks. This is the February Madam Glam collection called Magnetic Love. Yeah, you heard me right. Magnetic Love. And the colors are so appropriate for Valentine's Day. So, as February unfolds with the love in the air, our latest collection captures the essence of romance and a heartful moment. 8 soak-off gels, absolutely gorgeous. Celebrate February with captivating, enduring shades that capture the magic of love, making every moment of the month extra special. This February, we are bringing you 8 brand new soak-off gel polishes in the shades of love to celebrate everything that makes your heart skip a beat. Whether you're head over heels, living the single dream, or just crushing on your next mani, we have the shades to match your vibe. Get ready to fall head over heels with Magnetic LoveCollection, featuring 4 mesmerizing cat eye gels that shimmer with magic and 4 dreamy cream gels in soft pinks and blues, perfect for creating a chic, romantic look or a bold, artistic vibes. These gels give you the new go-to for Valentine's Day and beyond. Whether you're a lover of sparkle or a fan of creamy classics, there is a shade or 8 to make your nails pop this season. Our gel polishes are made with love for you to offer for you and the planet. They're vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free, and palm oil-free, so you can enjoy the gorgeous manicure guilt-free. So let your nails shine with vibrant, long-lasting colors, are kind as they are beautiful. And that is so fitting for this gel polish set. So here is what I'm going to do. These polishes, you can easily get away with doing just 1 coat, but in order to really get that color payoff, I do suggest 2 coats, just because that second coat really makes these polish colors just really pop. Now, that being said, the magnetic colors that I'm going to swatch, I only do 1 coat just because they're magnetics, and a lot of people don't do 2 coats with magnetic polishes. And of course, I will not do the top coats on here, but I will show you what the final product with the top coats, and I will also show you what they look like matte, because I love matte, and I know a lot of you do too. And I would absolutely love to know which of the cream colors is your favorite, as well as which of the magnetic gels is your favorite color. And can you guess mine? And as always, I will be doing a separate video with a nail design with these gel polishes. I just like to do my swatching on a separate video, just so the videos don't wind up getting too long. I know personally I don't like to have to sit through an extra long video if I don't have to. And there you go. You see the difference between 1 coat and 2 coats. That second coat really makes these colors super vibrant, whereas they are beautiful with one coat too. I just prefer 2 coats. That's my personal preference. But you do you, whichever you prefer. I also do want to mention that the gels may look a little thicker than normal. That is because my house is like 45 to 50 degrees right now. This cold snap has got all of my gels acting thicky, and y'all, it's driving me crazy. But even so, even though these polishes are cold, and because of this cold weather, you see how creamy and just beautifully they glide on. Yeah, that's one thing I love about Madam Glam. Even if they are thick, they're still so easy to use. And the self-leveling is spot on, amazing, and super quick. And then right after this, we are going to move on to the magnetic gels. Now, I don't know about you, but magnetic gels are some of my absolute favorites. And y'all, this magnet is so strong, it kept attracting everything on my desk. It was ridiculous. So this collection is going to be available on February 4th. And if you are a VIP member, you can get it a little earlier. If you don't want to become a VIP member, which is only $29 a month, and it rolls over if you don't use it every month. If you decide not to become a VIP member for whatever reason, then you can use a discount code, my discount code, or anybody else's. There's a bunch of them floating around on YouTube that you can access. Then you would click Pay As You Go on the website at checkout, and with the discount codes you can save as well on top of the save. But there are plenty of perks with the VIP membership that you may not want to miss, such as early access to collections, discounts, and you name it. So you might want to consider that VIP option if you can. So I'm going to go ahead and jump off of here and let you watch the rest of this video. The video is not much too longer, but I want to send love, hugs, prayers, and good wishes to each and every one of you. And I hope you have a fabulous, fabulous day and a fabulous February. Oh, I almost forgot. When I show you the final colors, the final swatch sticks at the very end of the video, I do show you the cat eye effect on these glitter gels. And I also do show you a swatch of these gorgeous gels as unactivated without using the magnet, so you know what they look like either way.